secret to great jollof is mastering the base. Today we're gonna make a rich chicken stew alongside our rice. This efficiency is the key, using one tomato base for two incredible dishes. Our flavor foundation starts with our fresh ingredients: bell peppers, onions, and ginger. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Feel free to subscribe. She's blending these into a smooth puree. When making both jollof rice and stew, use a larger amount of bell peppers, onions, and ginger so that you have enough flavor and consistency for both dishes. Pour the puree into a separate pot. Repeat the process until all the ingredients are fully blended. Now place this pot on the heat, cover it slightly, and allow it to cook down. The goal here is to dry out the water and concentrate the flavor. While our base cooks, let's prepare the chicken stock. After a thorough wash, place the chicken into the pot. Rinse the blender with water and add that flavor-infused water to the pot. Now for the magic, the seasoning. Add your salt, Maggi cubes, ginger powder, thyme, chicken flavor, curry powder. The secret to delicious jollof lies in how well you prepare your stock. Chopped onion. Be generous with onions when cooking jollof rice. And blended pepper. Combine carefully. Then finish with a dash of black and white pepper. Cover and allow this to steam for a few minutes. You'll see the natural juices creating stock. Add enough extra water here to ensure the chicken cooks fully until tender. The secret to a tasty jollof is in how well you prepare the stock. This is our rich chicken stock that will cook the rice and the stew. Okay, time check. The pepper mixture is perfectly dried out, all the water gone, and the chicken is cooked, giving us this beautiful, flavorful stock. And the chicken is perfectly tender, well cooked. Our pepper mix is dried nicely. Now we separate, move the cooked pepper base aside, and strain the chicken from the stock. Now heating a pan for the next critical step, frying the chicken. Heat the oil thoroughly. Before frying, let's get our tomato paste ready. If this method is helpful so far, you can support the channel by subscribing. Mix it with a little water to dissolve. Gently place the chicken in the hot oil. Just aiming for a beautiful golden brown crisp. Once finished, strain the used frying oil back into the pan. This oil now carries deep chicken flavor. Add a little extra oil. Salt. Once the oil is hot, add in onions. Now add the dissolved in tomato paste. This slow process called frying out the tomato is essential. This is the secret most people get wrong. Subscribe so you don't miss cooking tips that actually work. When you see the oil separate and float on top, you know you've cooked out the acidity. Next, add the concentrated bell pepper puree. At this stage, patience is important. The longer you fry your tomatoes, the better the taste. Mix thoroughly. Lower the heat. If you like how this is coming together, please subscribe. We fry this combination for another 15 minutes, stirring at intervals. Wait until the paste has congealed and the oil floats again. The base is ready. Now, season this to base for depth. Go in with some Maggi cubes, rosemary, curry powder, chicken flavor, and fresh basil leaves. Stir and cook for a few more minutes. This rich mixture is our mother's sauce. She scoops a portion out for the jollof. I appreciate you watching till this point. Please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Then pours the parboiled basmati rice into the pot. Ensure you wash your rice thoroughly until the water turns clear. Adds chicken stock. Mix gently. A little black and white pepper and a tiny bit of blended chili for that extra kick. Go ahead and cover the pot tightly with foil. And cooks on the lowest heat. Jollof rice is cooked by steam, not boiling water. While the jollof steams, let's finish the stew. She adds the rest of the chicken stock. Stir to combine. Black and white pepper. Sweet basil leaves. And your fried chicken. Mix it all together. Cover the stew and let it simmer for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to melt. And there you have it. A rich, delicious chicken stew is ready. Checking back on the jollof, the rice is cooked through. Gently fold in a knob of butter. Cover for a few minutes to let the butter melt and dissolve. And here is the beautiful result, perfectly cooked smoky jollof rice. A culinary success on the very first try. Now all that's left is to portion the meal and enjoy the fruits of your labor.